Wait, the ducks are right there. Bro, are you like they're I thought these were geese. What am I talking about? Wait, what? They're not?
Yeah, they're geese.
Oh, that's not that big thing. Hey, you're making me.
Ah!
I'm gonna go bully that one. He's really big.
I want to. I don't want to be scared, but I really get scared. Why is there? How far?
We should fight.
Oh my god!